To make that man go crazy and not be able to stop thinking about you. To make him constantly think about you and dream about you every night, all you need to do is a glass spell. Write his name in red ink on a piece of white paper, always thinking that he will seek you out. Call you and feel desperate and lost without you. Spray your perfume on it 3 times so he can feel your presence wherever he goes. Then put it inside a glass and whisper the following inside the glass. Say his name. You will only think of me. You will have me in your mind all the time, and you will come to me desperate. So, mote it be. Quickly turn the glass upside down. Hold the glass in your hands and repeat 3 times. You will be blind if you are not within my reach. You will remain deaf until you hear my voice, and you will awaken mute until you pronounce my name. So, mote it be. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take the glass to a dark place where it won't receive any light until he comes to you. Perform this ritual and let me know how long it takes for him to seek you out.